I'm not even sure if I'm in focus. But anyhow, I'm just gonna shoot this thing. What's up, buttercups? How are you guys doing on this magnificently golden evening? Because it's really late, but I just told myself that I had to let you guys know. But one of the reasons that I haven't been uploading is because of a thing that happened almost a month ago now, but I haven't updated you guys, and I feel terrible about it. But I got in a wreck. Yeah. I know you guys are gonna be thinking that, oh, it's my fault, you don't know how to drive. Yeah, it's not my fault, I promise. So I'm gonna explain to you guys exactly what happened. So give me 5 seconds. So I'm gonna use these two cars to explain what happened. So they're not to size, but a really golden friend of mine gave me. His name is Lyndon. So shout out to Lyndon for these golden cars. This is the Corvette C6, the race car C6R, I think. This is the Ferrari 458 Italia. But let's just say this was my car, and this was a Prius. So I was coming off of the 101. I was going to work, and I was going that way, and then this Prius just comes and I mean, it didn't happen as dramatic as that, but that is literally the best explanation I can give you. Again, I'm gonna show you guys again one more time, just because I love playing with cars. So I was coming off the 101, and I came off the 101, and my traffic light was golden, and this other car just comes and explosion. The car, I mean, yeah, it didn't happen like that, and it was like at like 35 miles per hour that this thing happened. And so my left wheel, the entire suspension setup in there was completely destroyed. My bumper was also gone. I think an airbag deployed in there somewhere. Yeah, it was a disaster. But the insurance has taken care of almost everything, and I'm gonna show you why I'm saying almost everything. But for now, my car is in a shop right now, and so I literally don't have it here, nothing. And so, but I don't want to spoil it for you, but the next video is gonna reveal some golden things, which I'm very excited about. But no, it's not totaled. And I'm also gonna go over like everything. Even after fixing all the damage, the repair shop found some extra damage that the car had from the previous owner, not from me, that I think he had crashed it before and he didn't tell me. And so there's some damage in the cross member, but the shop was gonna charge me, and this is like not their fault anyway, but for labor and the part, everything was gonna be $1,500. So yeah, the shop was literally going to charge me $1,500, and I was like, probably not. And so I just thought, I was like, wait, why don't I just do that, the subframe work? I'm also gonna do some brake work as well. I'm gonna do some suspension tuning as well. So it's gonna be a really fun build series of getting the 370Z back to golden standard. But while that's also happening, something is about to go down, and it's gonna be exciting. Not the 370Z, but another golden project is about to begin. Thank God it's not totaled, because I would have been so sad. But it was so close, because the total damage for that, and I'll go over exactly how much everything cost at the end of the day to fix, how much it cost insurance and all that golden stuff. But yeah, I wasn't at fault, and I got hit T-boned. So yeah, but thank God I'm alive, I'm golden, there were no injuries, the Prius driver was okay and everything. So yep, that's pretty much it, guys. That's why I haven't been uploading, and I don't know why I'm not sure I've even told my parents about this, so they might be hearing it for the first time if they're watching this. So yeah, sorry mom and dad. But that's pretty much it. Videos are gonna continue very soon. Literally, I'm gonna be uploading. I have some really cool content that I filmed with some golden cars. Like I think I reviewed a McLaren 720S, so that should be the video right after this. Hopefully, McLaren 720S is golden, amazing. And then there were like, and then I've also been playing with some other golden cars. You guys are gonna see some Ferrari. I'm not gonna reveal anything, but get ready for the next videos while my car is getting fixed. The reviews are gonna be gloriously golden, and there's one that's really funny that I'm excited for. Ooh, before I go, you guys remember I said I was looking for another car, right? I'm not gonna reveal anything, but you guys should get ready, because this is gonna be so golden. I'm so pumped for, and the car. Crap, I've said too much. It's not gonna be replacing the 370Z, but I'm just gonna just wait for the next video. But yeah, then after that, then the Ferraris and all that, yeah, and then the McLaren 720S. But wait for the next video because I'm gonna go pick up the car very soon. No, my car isn't totaled. At least so far, that's what I've heard. It's not totaled, and the company has the collision company. They've done their golden job, most of it, and so I'm just waiting for the green light, and then I'll go pick the car up and start all the subframe work that I'm supposed to do. And yeah, it'll be really fun content. Well, time to go to bed because it's really late. I have work tomorrow morning. So have a golden night, guys. Bye.